We are a streaming analytics company that has a lot of data that's very critical and important for the ad tech industry. Our customers are streaming services. They are publishers that use our product or service to understand viewer experience, viewer engagement. It provides them a critical source of information to understand how people are interacting with the content, whether they are spending enough time, whether they should do things to improve the experience. So we integrate with content delivery networks, with video encoding services, and so on and so forth within the video ecosystem to provide that visibility to customers.
Okay, great. And so walk me through a use case or,
Sure. So the way this works is publishers put a piece of software, an SDK, on their devices, on their Tizen or Roku or Fire TV or web or mobile. So we have tens of millions of devices that have the MediaMelon SDK. And this SDK sends data every few seconds to the MediaMelon backend. So we have the infrastructure to process and create insights from the data that is then sent to APIs and dashboards. The customers, the people who in our customers' organizations that use this data are the product teams, the operations teams, the head of product. They look at the data to understand how how the experience is the video buffering, the startup delay too much, how does it compare with the rest of the industry, and what they should do to improve engagement. So that's where we started. That's what we have, several customers, several publishers that use this solution. As we are doing this, we also integrate with the ad insertion services. We get visibility on the ad pod, what it looks like. We can marry information on the content with that of the ads. So we get visibility on what kind of attention and engagement people pay for different kinds of content, because we get the content metadata from the publishers, and we look at the whole ad path by being in the player. And we can combine that to provide the visibility and the insights that customers need.
Great. Now, MediaMelon is fairly new to the digital advertising space, as I understand it. What are your observations about this industry and how it works and how functional it is, or dysfunctional as the case may be?
I think the ad industry is very exciting, and it's exciting because there are so many moving parts, so many data sources, and so many big challenges to solve. And being able to connect the data path between what you see from the publisher to what the brands and advertisers are buying is very important, and there is a lot of opportunity there. There are different kinds of measurement technologies, and the fact that you have different things to measure, different things that matter to different people, different outcomes that are important. All these are adding add to the richness of this industry. And we hope to play a key role in this because we can bring information on what is the content that's most exciting and interesting for a given brand, because not all ad spots are the same, right? I mean, even for the same demographic, engagement can vary depending on whether you are at a certain point in a session, or at a different point, or a different kind of content. So all these things matter. So we hope to bring information on all of this to the brands.